Hi everyone, welcome back to Dent Motion. Recognize it's been a while since I did some videos. We've been crazy busy with some hail, repairing a lot of different cars, and but today I wanted to show you this 2018, maybe even 2019 Dodge Ram pickup. It's a customer of ours that they bring us their vehicles anytime they get a door ding and whatnot. But just a super nice vehicle. It's got like 700 miles. Really nice. Let me show you the damage that they have. So here's the one of the dents is right here on this body line right here, right between the body line. Looks like a door ding. Boom, hit it. We're gonna repair that using the paintless dent repair method. That one seems fairly easy. And then there's another one over here. That's one of the vehicles that we have to fix hail on it. This one's pretty bad. It's really bad. That one's right on the body line. It seems like it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 dents. Almost seems like, I don't know, someone got mad or upset. But I mean, the truck is just, it's the Longhorn edition with some kind of a pattern. Just beautiful truck. 771 miles. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's hard to see. Anyway, 774 miles. It almost looks like a Tesla screen on the dash. Just beautiful. I mean, it's got the Hemi 1500. I mean, it looks like it's crew cab, but it has the extended there. Those doors, are extended. That step goes up, and then when you close it, it goes back up. Just super nice. I just wanted to show you, but I'll show you the process on how this comes out. Okay, I'll show you soon. Okay, everyone. I actually started to work on this truck this morning. This is Monday morning. I had started the video on Friday, and I forgot to video the repair. But I'm kind of working on it. I'm kind of rebuilding this body line, and I'm going through here. Rolled down the window, I put a guard there to protect it, and I'm just massaging the metal. There's a little slot that I can insert a tool there to repair it. I actually want to make a correction. This is a 2019 Dodge Ram. I think they're just releasing these. They're not really, there's not a bunch of them available, I don't believe. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you. Sorry. Anyways, here's the midst of the repair. I will continue to show you. Okay, everybody. Finished this lovely truck. I just wanted to show it outside. Here's the damage that was here. Came out just super nice, like it never happened. And then completely forgot to show this damage over here that was on the door. That we repaired also. Completely done. Looking really good. We didn't have to create any holes or anything like that. So, looking excellent. That's what Paintless Dent Repair can do for your brand new truck. So remember, if you're in need of any paintless dent repair, hail damage, lately that's what mostly we're fixing, door dings, creases, give me a call. Let's talk about it. 720-552-0808. Dentmotion.com is the website. Talk to you soon. Thank you.